To turn off push notifications on MyFitnessPal app, firstly you have to open the app, click on the profile icon. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the circle which is present at right top corner. Move this bar and click on push notifications here. By turning it off, this type of white blank box will appear here. It means that your push notification is turned off on your app. Thank you so much. In this way you can turn off your push notifications on MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.